it's time to get started.
Peekaboo. Just kidding, it's me. But I was looking at this cactus and I was thinking, what kind of animal would eat a cactus? Could he be part of the food chain? What animal do you think would eat a cactus? I know longhorns will eat cactus. But let's get on to our assignment today. Here our instructions tell us to please watch this teacher video to illustrate and label a food chain. What are we making today? A food what? Food chain. Bravo. In our food chain today, we will have 4 living things. Let's review them together. We need a sun. Say that word, please. Sun. You'll have to draw it and label it. After the sun, he's going to make the grass grow. Say that G word, please. Grass. You'll have grass in your food chain today. Who's going to eat our grass? It's going to be the ladybug. Say that L word, please. Ladybug. Beautiful. And the last organism that's going to swoop and eat the ladybug is the say it with me, bird. Excellent. You will be drawing all 4 of these things in your journal. You will be adding color and lots of details before you take a photo. Let's go get started together today. Everyone already got their crayons, their pencil, and their journal. So let's open it up to a new clean page because we have some living things to illustrate. I'm going to move to one side so I can still see those labels that we're going to add to our picture. Now I've got my page here ready. Do you have your page ready? But I want a long food chain, so I'm going to turn my journal to the side. Will you please turn your journal sideways too so you have more space to work? All right, now that we have our page, big, beautiful page, we're going to give today's date and a title on the top. I have the title here in black for us with a capital letter F. Repeat it and write it. Food chain. Here we go. D. Food. Do you have the word food? Finger space. Ch. A-I says A. Food chain. Underline that title just like you see on your screen. Food chain. We're making a food chain. And today's date is 4 for April, 14 for today, 21 for the year. Everybody everywhere, please check your journal. You have a title, food chain, and you have today's date. Let's move on to the fun part. We're going to draw some living things. We're going to draw them, we're going to color them, and we're going to label them. The first thing we're going to draw is the sun. Everybody grab your pencil. Let's start over here in the corner with a sun. I want my sun to be round today. Whew, crazy hot sun. Lots of shining rays coming out of that sun. He's bright ball of gas up in the sky. I've drawn my sun, and you know I like that color. So grab some crayons and start your color. You'll have more time to add more later, but get a good start. After the sun, he's shining down and he's going to make all the plants and flowers and my cactus too grow. But here in our chain, we're going to draw what plant? After the sun, look at the G word. Say it with me. Grass. Beautiful. The sun is shining down and giving his energy. Give me an arrow. Shining down, giving his energy to who? Grass. I'm going to show some spiky green grass. I did a little picture and now I'm ready to make sure you know this is grass with some green color. Color it in. Oh, the other thing we need are the labels. Our teacher needs to know what are these pictures we've drawn. Today we've already have 2 things on the paper. Let's add the label. First one is the sun. Grab your pencil. Read it, write it, repeat it. Sun. The sun shines down onto our grass. We've got the grass here. Sun, energy down to the grass. And then who's going to come along and eat this grass? Not a man. It's going to be a ladybug. Say it with me, ladybug. And let's go draw our ladybug. I know they're very tiny, but I want to be able to see details. So my ladybug is going to be a little bigger than real life. A round body, some little antennas. I'm going to partition this ladybug shell into halves and then add some polka dot details. You always need your color, red ladybug, or maybe you have a yellow, orange ladybug. I don't have my black. Take your time, details on your ladybug, and then we need a label. Check the screen, repeat it and write it correctly. L-A-D-E, lady, bug. Ladybug is a compound word. Lady, bug, together makes ladybug. So we've got sun gives energy to the grass. The grass gives energy to who? Give me that arrow. Grass gives energy to the ladybug. We've got one more living organism that's going to swoop and snap that ladybug. What's it going to be? A bird. Say the B word with me. Bird. Now we need a bird to come eat this ladybug. I know birds can be kind of hard, but take your time. Do your best. Now you could have whatever bird you want. Do you want a rooster to come eat this ladybug? An eagle to come swoop and eat the ladybug? A red cardinal? A blue jay? Give me a bird. And then we need a label. B-b-I-r-d. Bird. Check your label. Spell it correctly with a B and a D on the end. And we still need one more arrow to show the transfer of energy. Sun gives energy to grass. Grass gives energy to ladybug. Ladybug gives energy to who? Cock-a-doodle-doo to the bird. Make sure you give an arrow going over to that last living thing, the bird. Then it's time to finish your color. Everyone's going to have sun, grass, ladybug, bird. Everyone needs to have 1, 2, 3, 4 labels, plus your title and date. And you're going to take your time to show me all the details on your 4 living things. Lots of color. What kind of bird is this? Give it some details. It's got wings. And make sure I can see your arrows. I can follow the transfer of energy. Let's look at our food chain. The bird depends on what animal to get energy? The bird depends on the sun? No. The bird depends on the ladybug. Now, who does the ladybug depend on to survive? The ladybug depends on the grass. And the grass cannot survive without who? The grass depends on that hot, hot sun. Check your work. You have your 4 labels. You have your arrows showing your transfer of energy. Then add all the color you can. Take a picture when you're done to turn in to your teacher. Nice job, food chain, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow for more food chains. Adios.